The captain's here, Adam Shelton, and welcome to another edition of ClearCryptos. And today we're talking about Houston Texans, an NFL franchise, Houston Texans, to accept cryptocurrencies for single game suites. This is tremendous. Now, a couple of years ago, NFL player Russell Okung demanded salary payment through Bitcoin in 2019 and finally received half of his $13 million fees in Bitcoin. So this has been in the works for a while with Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and NFL. Now, BitWallet becomes the official digital currency wallet of the Houston Texans. NFL team accept crypto assets for single game suites. Big time. Now, the crypto wallet firm BitWallet announced that the company has inked a deal with the NFL, Houston Texans. The NFL team will allow fans to buy single game suites paid with four different digital assets. Four different digital assets here. And I'm seeing here the company software supports of BitWallet, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum. Now, this could grow over time of other cryptocurrency as we move forward, but these are the four they're going to start with. We are proud to partner with BitWallet to offer an exciting option for our fans who are looking to enjoy Texans game day in one of our suites. Greg Grissom, the Houston Texans president, said, "The NFL team continues its effort to move the organization forward in a new and innovating way." Love this. I love this because it's exactly what the cryptocurrency space needs, and adoption, especially with the NFL team and with the whole NFL. This could be a really good idea. And also, meanwhile, in recent time, a couple of NFL teams have been open to crypto exposure with sponsorship deals. In mid-April 2022, blockchain.com partnered with the Dallas Cowboys. And in May 2021, Grayscale Investment began the official digital currency asset management partner with the New York Giants. So this is the beginning of positive news with cryptocurrency and the NFL. I hope to see more of this happening, especially players accepting cryptocurrency in terms of payment. This is good for the NFL. This is good for cryptocurrency. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. ClearCryptos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.